Consumption function. Consumption function studies the functional relation between consumption and income. It is based on Keynesian psychological law of consumption. It says when the income of the people increase, their consumption expenditure also increase. But increase in consumption expenditure is less than increase in income. Let us develop an imaginary table to understand consumption function better. Consumption increases with every increase in income. Apart from this, it throws more light on people's attitude towards consumption expenditure. Income increases from 0 to 600 rupees. Consumption increases from 80 to 560 rupees. For income less than 400 rupees, consumption expenditure is greater than income. People manage the excess expenditure by dis-savings or borrowing. When income is 0, people spend 80 rupees on consumption. This is called autonomous consumption. Consumption expenditure independent of income is called autonomous consumption expenditure. Beyond income 400 rupees, consumption expenditure is less than income. The unspent part of income is saved. Consumption expenditure equals income when income is 400. This table has two more technical attributes or properties that tell us more about consumption function. They are average propensity to consume and marginal propensity to consume. Average propensity to consume is the ratio between consumption and income. The average propensity to consume column shows this. Average propensity to consume keeps on falling as income increases. It falls from 1.6 to 0.93. It signifies that the community wants to proportionately spend less on consumption as income increases. Marginal propensity to consume is the ratio between change in consumption to change in income. It is stable at 0.8. It implies that the people want to spend only 80% from their increased part of the income. In our example, income increases by 100 rupees. People spend only 80% of this. They spend 80 rupees. The functional relation can be stated in the form of an equation. C equal to A plus BY, where C is consumption expenditure, A is autonomous consumption, B is marginal propensity to consume, and Y is income. According to our table, A is 80 rupees and B is 0.8. Then our equation is C equal to 80 plus 0.8y. By substituting the income, we can get the corresponding consumption. For example, to know the level of consumption expenditure at 500 rupees income, we have to substitute 500 in the given equation and solve. C equal to 80 plus 0.8 times 500 equal to 80 plus 400, 480. Thus, we can find the consumption expenditure of the people for any given level of income. The consumption function can be represented in the form of a graph. The curve slopes upward from left to right. It starts at A. A is the autonomous consumption. It is independent of income. All other expenditure levels depend on income. The slope of the curve is marginal propensity to consume. The important findings are: consumption increases as income increases. Increase in consumption is less than increase in income. Average propensity to consume falls with increase in income. It means the people want to spend proportionately less. Marginal propensity to consume is less than 1. Marginal propensity to consume is stable or constant in the short run. It means people want to spend a fixed percentage from the increased part of the income. Now it is time to test your understanding. The entire part of increased income is spent on consumption. False. The autonomous consumption is independent of income. True. Here ends our discussion on consumption function. We shall meet again.